stay with it. Work up now, work up now, work up. Re-switch hard. Drop that shoulder, drop that shoulder, drop that shoulder.
Head inside. There you go. One up, one down.
One leg.
Get your one. Give him one, not two.
Let's go.
Break it down.
Stay tough to the track, stay tough to the track.
Look where you're at. Break it down. Tighter ways. Come to your position.
There you go. Pressure back in, pressure back in.
1 minute. Tight ways. There you go. Go. Hey, you all right? Hands down.
Joe, under control, go to work, go to work.
Move your feet. You're on your heels.
Yeah, put it there again. So, you control the ties here, kid. Let's go. Drive it in. Stop.
Move your feet. 20. You're good. More action with your feet in there. Get your feet going, Hunter.
The attack, short side. Hey, you control ties here.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't fix your hair. So get one here.
Jab hard, half. Hey, you gotta clear your ankle.
Good right.
You'll kick that out again.
Hip
Over. Hip smash.
Don't waste, high five.
Hip smash. He's high. Keep it.
Catch that. You gotta catch.
Kick that. Slide one up. There you go. He's high. Nice job. Good work.
Go right, Hunter. Keep down. Come on here.
There you go. Go turn. Go bundles if you have to.
Get moving. Let's go. Come back.
Stay with it. Leg in.
Hips up.
Hair pipe. Here's our switch. Come on, you need one here.
Hey, get one back. Let's go.
Need at least one here.
Hey, 45. Get one back here.
Place. There you go. Knee
Knee
slide.
slide,
Go.
go.
Knee slide. Come on, you got to score here, Trent. You got to score. Hey. You need one here. You got 30. You need one here. Watch yourself. Stand. Knee slide. Stand. You're out.
Hey, 19.
No points. Keep him flat. Just keep him flat. Finish him tough. No points. 7. Keep him in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch your hips. Your hips are getting down on top. Hey, watch your hips. Hey, give him 1, not 2. Watch your switches.